How to create a new Indeed job profile. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new profile in Indeed Jobs. First thing you want to do is open your web browser and then search for Indeed Jobs. Once you search for it, you will see the first option, so you just want to open it. And here, it will ask you to enter your email. You just have to continue with your email address. I'm just gonna continue with my Google, so it will ask me to enter my Google account, and here you can add your basic info or you can skip it for now. I'm just gonna skip all of these just for now. If you want, you can add all of these details. So once you do this, your account should be created. As you can see, I have already created my account, and here I have my email and my account center is right here. So this is how you can easily create an Indeed job account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Please consider liking and subscribing the video. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.